Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to wrap text around an image in Google Docs. So let's begin the video. At first, open the document. Now click on the image. A small toolbar will appear directly below it with different text wrapping options. Now from here, select Wrap Text. As soon as you select it, the text in your document will automatically wrap around the image. You can also drag the image to any position and the text will adjust automatically. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.